Doing another test with the long sling. I pulled the pin back. It was at 50 degrees forward. It's at 18 degrees forward now. The sling is 10 inches, actually 10 inches longer than it was. I added a little cradle on the prop block to center it and to keep it all oriented how I wanted it. I have a golf ball in it, lucky number 7. I'm just shooting into space because I want to check the timing on it. I adjusted the prop block. I turned it. What did I do? I opened it 1 full turn, so like a 1/4 inch. I imagine that's several degrees at the other end, and lengthened the trigger about 1/2 an inch. I think this is going to work out for us. I hope we get a launch. I know we'll get a launch. I already launched it one time with the old configuration, and it hit the ballista right there and bounced back at me like I know 100 feet per second. So that was cool. All right. 3, 2, 1. That launched, sounded good. Didn't hit the crossbar. I think that's good. I didn't see it though, so I'll have to review the footage. All right, raining on it. What did I do? Open the gap, lengthen the trigger. We got ball number 11, and here we go. That was a tree. I at least saw it that time. I thought since I know where it's heading, I'd set something up to hit, and I put another 20 pounds on it. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. I don't know where it went. I don't know where it went. 50 pounds in a baseball. Way high. Here it comes. Right on my roof. Oh. 50 pounds and a cricket ball. That's it. Touchdown. That's long. That's 700 feet. I bet I can find it over in the field. Way over those trees. Those trees are 300 feet away. And there it is. I should be able to figure out how far that is. What's 90 degrees off of that? Alright, cool. You see where I'm at? Alright, cool.